हेलो।
आपकी आवाज आ रही?
ओके, थैंक यू।
Yes, sir.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम to all the participants.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। So yet now 13 students have joined the class. Let us do some
Go sir. Okay, right.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing, but sound is very slow, poor.
Okay. Now can you hear me properly?
Yeah, good. Carry on. Now
Okay, thank
I'm
you very much.
giving you screen sharing, option of screen sharing. Can you share your screen
No, I can't.
right now?
Yes, now I can share.
Okay.
So dear student, we have discussed about the computer block diagram and I told you to note down also. So, and we have discussed about how control unit works, how the memory units works, and how the input and output things are in the work in the computer system. So we have discussed in detail how to write in memory, how to read from memory, what is the binary things we have in the computer. So zeros and ones and all those things. So arithmetic and logical unit, ALU, and all those things we have seen. In today's class, we will see what is MS Paint or the Paint. So, sir, can you see the screen
No. Right
now?
now. Yeah,
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now. We can see.
Okay, okay. So, in your home, you do some painting. You are desired to do some paint. Okay, you are interested to do painting. Okay, so by hand you can draw something. You use colors and you use pencil. You use different things to draw the. There is uh, different tools are there to do painting. There is water painting also, and all those things are available. So you might have seen many artists are doing painting on the board. So they are fond of doing all those things. So same way in computer there is name called Paint, where you can do pictures, where you can do many things. So you can do different type of paintings here. So I will show how to go into the paint from here. So generally this is the desktop of our computer. So we have here start button. Okay, here we have the start. In this run, search program and files. If we write here PAINTS or PAINT paint, so it's given here. Just you can do enter. The paint tool is got have got open. You can maximize. This is the tool. This is the toolbar. Okay, here, and this is the taskbar. Okay, this is nothing but the title bar, I can say. Sorry. So this is menu. This is task. In this, you can, from here you can minimize like this. Again, from here downside you can maximize, and same here, from here you can delete or you can make into different size. Okay, Mr. Faisal, don't write anything if you can hear me. So in the paint you have option here, from here, like new, open, save, save as, print, send in email, properties, about, exit. Okay, already those who have painted, there are the names. Okay, you can open their file also in going open. So you want to start a new file, just you enter open. Okay, this is new. So what we have menu here. Okay, in this menu we have pasting option. From outside we can bring something. We have cut option, we have copy option, we have can select, we can
Hey.
do many things.
Who's Faisal?
Faisal, please don't write anything. Okay, if you are that much perfect, do in your computer, don't do in this screen. Okay, so example, even a small kid is interested in do painting. If we ask him, he will try to draw a small home. So we will try like that. Okay, so first we will see what are the tools are there. Okay, I can take the pen. Okay, here I can write anything. I can do like star, anything. I can write computer, like this. Okay, so there is, here we can see brush. So this is the options we have. So you can select the triangular also, sorry, rectangle form also, like this. You can select the line also. If you want this line to be straight, just we will press shift and we draw the line. See, after pressing shift and we are stretching it, it will go like this. So if I want to fill some color in this, okay, I can take fill from here, fill in. Okay, I can take something from here, and I can fill the color in this. So this is the thing we have. So I can, if I take the pencil, I can take the size as well. If I want this much of size, to write like this, A, B, C. So general thing I want to show here is we have here 100% to 0. We can minimize or maximize our painting like this. Okay, same way you can do this by the magnifier as well. You can just click, it will go in the maximization. Okay, so I want to do it back. So we have here redo, undo, and all those things. If we have drawn something and we don't like this and this, so we will do Control Z, it will go, C has gone, Control Z, B has gone, Control A, Control Z, A has gone. I will show again. If I do redo, it will come. Control Y, Control Y, Control Y. So if I want to remove this, so I did Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. If I want it again to be on this, I will do redo Control Y, Control Y, Control Y. So this is how. For example, you want to bring a picture on this. So I want to delete it before, okay? I can delete from here. I can take select. It will give me options, select. No, first I will show how to delete by eraser. The eraser is available. I can delete like this. So I want to maximize this eraser. So I have to take control plus, it will go in maximization. So again, I can delete like this. I can erase. Completely, I have erased. Okay. For example, if I have drawn something like this, for example, I will take line like this, color also. So this is general structure of home, we can say. So if I want to fill color in this, I have to take fill in. I can take different colors from here, like this. So I can scroll from here if the page is very large. Basically, I want a picture now. I can paste a picture from here or from here. It will show us controllers now from the documents. I can take some picture as well. I will go in pictures, new folder. No, I don't want from here. I want from sample pictures. Example, I will take this penguin. Do you want to save changes? Save. Wait, I will paste from here. The best option. The penguin. So it is showing me. I want to minimize it. It's too large. Okay. Too large. After this, if I want the color of this penguin in this home, for example, I want to match the color, I will take color picker. I want this color, this color. I will take this like this and put like this. So it is black. Or if I want this color, I will take like this. I'm sorry. yellowish black. Why have taken? So these are the pictures also I can edit here. You want to do save and all those things, you can save this picture. So what else I can tell you in this? If I want rotate, I can rotate also. You see the picture has got rotated. If I rotate 180 degree, it has got rotated like this. If I want to rotate more, flip vertical like this. Wait, I will rotate first, right, then right, and then right. I want to flip it. Flip horizontal like this, I can change. Flip vertical like this. Flip vertical again like this. So this is how I do. There is maximization and minimization from here. So I want to delete this home. Okay. So what I do, I will take select. I will select like this all and delete option. So it will go away. If I want to write ABCD, I will take. I can type from my keyboard like this. Compute paint class. I will take the paint class like this. I can do. So if I want to change the size of the pen, even I can do that. So what I have to do, I want to save it. Okay, I will go here again. I will say save as. Where I want to save, it will show if I take save as. Okay, paint class. I have given the name. Okay, paint class. I want to save it in the document. Okay, just as saved it. Okay, I have shown you about this and filling this and about writing format and magnifier and about the fill in the pick the color and eraser. These things I have shown. Okay, and these things are different. The shapes you can draw. Okay, for example, you have seen in the chat, it will show like this. Message has come like this, so it will show like this. For example, if you might have seen a person is thinking in the cartoon, it will show like this, like this. If he is thinking, it is written in that. So I will give some option like this, and I will take the alphabet here. Boom. For example, I will take here. want to write. So altogether, again, I can change the font like this. Normal. I can write like this. Who is that person? So if we are imagining like this, we can do some pictures like this. So we can save as well, okay? I've shown you how to save as it also. Save. In that option is there to save as. So in which kind of a format you save? Generally we save in the 24-bit map. If you want to send this painting to WhatsApp or on the Facebook, you take JPEG. JPEG is a giant image graphic is there. So giant photography image graphic is there. Extend. So I will tell in next class what is JPEG also. So this is the formats we have. So 24-bit bitmap we will take, and in the documents we are saving it. So this is how we do paint. There is many options here. You can explore by yourself while doing these things. So if anyone has the question, they can raise their hand. Use their laptops and do this. Use your laptops. And sir, Shahid sir, can you unmute those who have the questions?
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Sir, can you please show how you wrote who is that person with two different colors?
Just I wrote by taking the color here. Just you have to take first.
How is it? No. Say I tried it last time when I tried it. So when I changed the color, the whole sentence will be changed as the same color. So how you wrote it? Can you please
I will show you.
show me once again?
Okay, I will show. I will take here the text format first, and I will do like this.
Ready?
Okay. Just I took the pen again from here. Where I just took the pen to write. So I will take like this color first. No, I will take the text format. Wait. Like this. Who is I wrote. Okay, I will take again the different color now. That person. So it's simple. You need not to worry. You just click on the colors, you get change.
Maybe you selected an option of opaque and transparent, I guess. Here, beside the color, it is written here. I maybe. What is the opaque written over here? beside the color 1, color 2?
There is nothing like that written opaque or transparent here. Oh yeah, opaque and transparent is there. Okay. So I took
Yeah.
the transparent. I took the transparent.
What if we take opaque from that?
Just opaque is showing the background white. If
Okay.
we just take opaque like this, if we click, the background is white. You can see that.
Yeah.
And if I take the transparent as an option, it is showing as a in color. In color.
Mhm.
The other person who has the question, please, Shahid sir, can you unmute them?
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Sayyid Hisham.
Sir,
Okay.
Okay.
hello sir.
Yes.
Sir, how to get photo on this wallpaper, sir? This penguin.
Yes. Yes. I will show you. I have shown you 1 or 2 times how to do this. Again, I will show you. You can see the screen now.
Yes, sir.
There is a paste option is there. Paste from.
Yes, sir.
If we click here, there is a paste from. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You will go in documents. You can go into the pictures, wherever you can go from here.
Yes.
For example, I will take again some picture, sample picture, jellyfish. Okay, I will select here, and I will just do OK, open. It will come. It is coming in a very big
Yes, sir.
form, so I can minimize from here. Because my screen I took is very large, so I can minimize from here. So this is how we do. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Meanwhile, we can see some student who has painted here. These are the students. We can see their painting. And this is our painting. For example, Abdullah. Don't save. Okay. I have opened one student's. Wait. Kalim. He has drawn something like this. Okay. We can change the filling color also like this. If we want to fill in the different form, we can fill like this. So other person who has a question, please allow them, sir.
Sir, I am audible, sir.
Yeah, what is your name?
Mohammed Abdul Rauf.
Yeah, okay, Rauf. Abdul Rauf, ask.
Sir, that you told about that keyboard controls now, sir. Control X, Control Z. Sir, can you repeat it once again? How to control cut, copy, paste? That process you told now, sir, just now.
It is very easy, dear student. I showed about the Control Z to maximize the rubber. Wait, I want to take this to delete. Okay, I took the eraser. Okay, wait. I have taken this. So this is how I erase. So minimize it or to maximize this rubber. I want to minimize this. Control and minus. On putting my hand or finger on the control, and I'm just putting keep on doing minus, so it will get minimized. If I want to
If
large it, control plus.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
this
at
is
that.
what, and
yes, sir.
how to do redo and undo. I showed. Undo means if I have wrote something like this. If I have wrote something here, blah blah. So if I have wrote, I just want to delete it. Okay, Control Z. It has gone. Again, by mistake, why I have deleted? If I think that I want it back, so I just do Control Y. It is redo. Okay. It
Yes,
will
sir.
come
Got
again.
it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. I will take one or two questions more. Who wants to ask, they can raise their hand. Abdul Rauf, please make your hand down. Raise down your hand. One or two questions. Fatima. Okay, please unmute Fatima, sir.
Where is Fatima? Fatima, you can unmute yourself and ask question to sir. I think they have no any question.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
there is a question by Kausar Jahan in chat box.
Okay, I will see.
How to pick up the color?
What is that question, sir? Can you repeat?
How to pick up the color?
Okay. Just it's very easy to pick up the color. In the home, you have the fill with color option. So you can take like this, and just if you have drawn a circle like this from here and want to fill, for example, again I have drawn, I will just take fill like this. Who is doing something here? I will show again. Why I can't do wait? I will take new one. I have taken some box like this and I went to fill and just I put something like this. Again I have taken like this and I took the fill and I fill like this. So if this is all about the class. So I hope everyone is clear with this painting. What is the question? Can you read that, please? I can't hear you. Wait, I will check the chat box.
हाँ.
Okay,
स्क्रीन
now
साइज कैसा चेंज कर सकते हैं?
Okay. It is very simple. You have here 100 to 0 like that. Sorry, 100 to something around 800. And in this zoom in, zoom out is there. Okay, this percentage is there. So this is how my cursor you can see. You can do the screen size more and less. Okay, hope that it is clear. If sir, if there is no question, we can end this class. More you do, more you will understand. Okay, you have to do in your laptop, you have to do on your desktop. It will be very easy to you all those things. Okay, you have to rehearse it. You have to do painting. You have some craze. You want to draw something. It will give you inspiration. Okay. So this is all about the today's class. Thank you very much for listening. I will end this class. On tomorrow's class, we will see some theory. What is the memories, like primary memory, secondary memory, and all those things. So thank you very much for listening.